विकी के साथ इस वक्त है के कोई नहीं है अच्छा के कल आप स्टार स्क्रीन अवार्ड में आए नहीं थे. यू गॉट एन अवार्ड फॉर खुदा जाने बेस्ट प्लेबैक सिंगर. आपका वो स्पीच तो दे दो अभी.
यार बहुत अच्छा लगता है मेरे को. फीलिंग वेरी गुड. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कंसिडरिंग मी qualified for the award. No, honestly speaking, this is my second award that I've got. The first one was for Pal, and that also happened to be a screen award.
Let's come to Raj. Raj के लिए आपने 2 गाने गाए, ओ जाना एंड कैसा ये राज है. कौन सा बेटर है दोनों में से?
Yeah, both have a different feel altogether. O Jana is a very up-tempo, I think, club disco kind of a song, and I enjoyed singing that for Raju. But the other one, Kaisa Ye Raat, is something which I have been singing, for a lot of films. It's got a lot of passion in it, and niche se it's got a very low end beginning and it goes to high bits. So more spectrum of.
How do you sing songs differently? कैसे मतलब खुदा जाने गाया था और probably वो जाना अभी. How do you differentiate?
हर गाने का मूड अलग होता है.
अच्छा.
अब समोसा खाते हुए छोले भटूरे के स्वाद नहीं मिलता. हमेशा मैं खाने के बारे में बात करता हूँ यार.
How do you maintain your voice and कैसे?
I don't put too much of thought into it actually.
You don't smoke?
I don't smoke and I don't drink of course. And but I don't know, because I used to have a friend in college who do both and he sounded good enough. So whether it has to do anything with this, it's just that my constitution doesn't allow me to stand next to people who smoke also. So when we are out at shows, I make sure that the band guys, they don't normally smoke. Once in a while they do, but they never hang around with me. Because I just can't stand smoke. मेरे को एलर्जी होती है बहुत जबरदस्त. तो ये और उसके अलावा generally I try not to shout. Not to talk much also actually.
अच्छा अच्छा.
कोई जिक्र करा थोड़ी पहले कि आपका फोन बंद रहता है. वो इसका कारण ये भी है. फोन ऑन रहता है, हमें बातें चलती रहती है ना, वो बहुत
तकलीफ होता है.
So I keep my mouth shut as much as possible.
तो ये स्मोकिंग बैन जो लगा है, you think it's amazing? All India.
Sorry for my smoking friend, but I think it's the right way to go.
So एक गाना रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए बहुत टाइम लगता है क्या?
डिपेंड करता है, कभी जल्दी भी हो जाता है. मैंने मतलब कोई रिकॉर्ड तो नहीं है.
दिन में एक ही गाते हैं?
हाँ, मैं दिन में 1 या 2 जाने से ज्यादा, और वो भी रोज नहीं.
अच्छा.
पर मैंने दिन में 5 भी किए हैं ज्यादा से ज्यादा. उससे ज्यादा मेरे से होता नहीं है. वो भी बहुत पहले किया था. और ये जो बोल रहे थे कि what the song?
खुदा जाने was it difficult to sing?
See, now what happens is some songs they take long, because if you take time to understand the melody and the nuances involved, because you're a music director and you have something in your head, I can never better that in the first 1 or 2 hours. No way. Because you already have a line of thought, I have to follow that. Sometimes you live with a song for a while and then you start coming up with something which sometimes, at times, music directors say, okay, you can try that as well. But otherwise, it's fair enough to just go and try to imbibe as much as you can from the music director. तो कभी कभी वेरी करता है, कभी आधा घंटा लगता है, कभी लगा है मेरे को 20 मिनट में मैंने गाने किए. पर वो कभी वो ऐसे हल्के गाने होते हैं. ज्यादा नॉर्मली ऑन एन एवरेज डज टेक अबाउट 2 to 3 hours. Could go to 4 hours as well, but depends. Yeah, not that much.
How do you find A.R. Rahman? Slumdog Millionaire.
Amazing. I mean,
Jai Ho. You listen to the song?
No, I haven't.
सुनना है क्या?
है तो सुना दिया. But I mean, I think nobody else could have done it, because I think he's one guy who represents India in the global community.
True.
In terms of music, he understands music like nobody else does. And he's, I mean, पहले एल्बम जब उसको आया था, कौन था? समझ गया वो तिरुड़ा. अच्छा. हम दिल्ली में थे, मैं और शांतनु मोहित्रा. हाँ. म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर.
या.
हाँ, तो हम लोग
बहुत तो गाने कॉपी भी किए.
नहीं यार, वो ऐसे नहीं है.
परिणीता का.
तो ठीक है वो यार, वो कॉपी नहीं होता यार. You need that kind of space.
Okay.
Listen. हाँ. Going back to that time, so we were in his house and he said, यार कि नया एल्बम आया सुन. सुना यार, completely blown. हाँ. तिरुड़ा, you heard the song?
No.
So you must pick up this album.
तिरुड़ा.
Yeah. I think initial albums. Even then I knew for certain that he is definitely different from the rest of the music industry that we have. So I think nobody else could have done it. Hats off to him.
What does it take to be KK? Mehnat? Patience? You always wanted to be a playback singer.
Well, once I came into Mumbai, not initially, I was into jingles, but yes, I think after 99, once I got my break with Tarap Tarap, there's no looking back.
Tarap Tarap.
And also I started, there were a lot of young people, in the industry by then, who were actually my friends, who Pritam was getting in, Shankar was also getting in, and Vishal Shekhar also getting into the whole thing, So it was nice, it was amongst friends that you're doing some great music. And now I feel so much a part of, integrally, so much of a part of the whole music industry.
So it's always a long-term investment. I mean, you can't have a short-term success.
No, you can. I mean, like, there are people who, like, if you look at even the world over, if you remember the guy called Baltimore who did the Tarzan Boy, there's only one song that he did. There are so many other artists like that, you know, who have one song wonders, but they're set for life with that abroad. यहाँ कुछ नहीं होता है. यहाँ तुम रगड़ते रहो जिंदगी बस जाके तो होता है कुछ. But other than that, I think it's like a long-term thing that you look. It's like any relationship that you get into, you know. So if you get into the music thing, and if you're in an industry like the Bombay film industry, Mumbai film industry, you're working with so many different guys, and each one has something more different to offer to you as a singer. It's like a complete roller coaster ride, non-stop. यहाँ से निकले फिर वहाँ पर चले गए, फिर वहाँ चले गए किसी और के वहाँ अच्छा वो गाने चल रहे बिल्कुल अलग अंदाज में चल रहे हो तो बहुत मजा आता है.
कोई मस्ती वाला गाना वाना किया आपने कभी? मस्ती किया हो गाने में while recording? तड़प तड़प obviously most of the sad songs.
I know. I mean, कोई कहता रहे मीशान शंकर we all did together. It was great fun.
धमाल किया था.
हाँ बहुत मजा आता है स्टूडियो में तीनों
नाच रहे थे.
हाँ बिल्कुल वैसे ही होता है पूरा हंगामा होता है.
Let's come to Raz. The mystery continues. You've seen the movie?
नहीं रे अभी रिलीज हो गया क्या?
नहीं रिलीज नहीं हुआ. पहले नहीं दिखाते तुमको?
नहीं यार वो बोल रहे थे वो भट्ट साहब की दिखाएंगे पर वो हम भी भाग जाते हैं इधर उधर. मेरे को अपना गाना जो उसमें कैसा ये राज है वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
वो कैसा ये राज है एक बार वैसे?
रातों की तन्हाई में सुबहों की परछाई में हो चेहरा है क्या ये मेरी आंखों में, खुशबू है क्या ये मेरी सांसों में, कैसा ये राज है जो कि खुलता नहीं, क्यों मेरे ज़हन में तू है अजनबी.
Your musical influence?
My musical influence could be general influence, right?
Huh.
Rock.
Okay, genres of music you enjoy listening to?
Soft rock.
It's all rock.
Yeah.
High point of your career?
I think, my very first, 99 I would say, 10 years ago when I got Tarap Tarap and Pyar Ke Pal also. Pal, my album released thanks to Les and Sony of course. And Tarap Tarap, thanks to Mehboob and Ismail Darbar and Sanjay.
Zabardast गाना Tarap Tarap.
वो महबूब की वजह से मिला.
हाँ क्या?
He's Ismail's friend.
हाँ.
So we had met in Rahman's studio. तब वो कुछ गाने करने गया था मैं. तरारंपम तो एक पिक्चर बनने वाली थी शेखर कपूर.
अच्छा.
तो उस चक्कर में गए थे और फिर वहाँ पर महबूब से मुलाकात हुई. इसलिए गाना बहुत अच्छा है वो तू गाइयो. हाँ मिलूंगा इस्माइल से. So that time Ismail was also starting off ना.
Oh yeah.
So it was a great time yeah.
Favorite song?
अपना है कोई भी
आपका? कोई भी मतलब.
खुद का.
Your favorite song?
My favorite song. I like जिंदगी का सफर. It's my all-time favorite song.
Musician you would wish you could perform with or collaborate with, dead or alive, doesn't matter.
Beyonce.
Beyonce. Oh my God. You know, bootylicious हो जाएगा.
गा भी सकते.
Sorry. Okay, advice for aspiring singers and musicians.
Well, I think believe in your own self first and foremost before you start knocking up people's doors and saying that chance to. First and foremost, you have to believe in your ability, because if you're your own biggest critic first, then the road becomes a little easy. Because you don't want other people pointing fingers at you. So if you have your own fingers pointed at you when you start off, you know what to do and how much to do of whatever that you need to do when you get into the industry, then you have your own your alter ego telling you, guiding you initially at least. And वो बहुत ज़रूरी होता है इनिशियल फेज में, क्योंकि तब लड़खड़ाते हैं बहुत कदम, कुछ भी कर लो यार, अच्छा यहाँ पर भी कर लो वो भी कर लो. तब सैम्पलिंग रखना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कि बिकॉज लुकिंग फॉर फर्स्ट ब्रेक, एंड आफ्टर यू गेट योर फर्स्ट ब्रेक then you're looking how to build on it, But when you're looking at building on it, you have to make sure that you build on it, make the base a little wide, so that you can go up higher.